You know, I really don't think pops and bangs is the right description for this car. It sounds more like a thunderstorm driving by. Colin's here at Eurofed, and we really knocked this one out of the park. So here we have this 2021 RS6 custom downpipes made in-house and a full custom exhaust all the way back. Titanium tips to really give it the Eurofed touch. We kept 2 resonators in it to keep it somewhat of a family car. Our boy Mo at DME Tuning really hooked us up with a Stage 2 tune. Call now to discover the Eurofed difference and see what we can turn your car into.